When customers come in and have an Intoxalock installed, they can expect to obviously wait for the install to be done. We're all certified and trained to do the installs. We have all of the technical information we need for all their vehicles, whether it's a push-button start, hybrid vehicle, any other vehicles, European vehicles that might be harder to do the install on. They can expect to obviously wait 1 to 3 hours to have it done. Afterwards, there's a good training period as far as going over with the paperwork, showing them what they need to take the DOT to get their temporary license. Also in how the unit works, there's a lot of coaching and training that is involved so they're safe when they're on the road. As far as the communication aspect of it, that all works together with Intoxalock, the customer, and us to hopefully make it all so it's seamless in where the customer has a lot less anxiety and not knowing what to do. It's really not that difficult of a unit to get the hang of. It's just the best unit on the market as far as how the unit works. We have done other units before, and they seem like they're the most reliable.